My name is Remark Ritumalta from BSIT3L. Here's the question. What is Eloquent ORM in Laravel and how does it simplify database interactions? Eloquent OR is Laravel's built-in ORM that provides an elegant, expressive way to interact with databases using models instead of writing raw SQL queries. Which database table has a corresponding model that allows developers to perform CRUD operations? Number 2, how does Laravel handle HTTP requests and defined routes? Laravel handles HTTP requests using two routing system defined in routes/web.php and routes/api.php for API routes. Number 3, explain the role of Blade templating engine in Laravel. Blade is Laravel's lightweight and powerful templating engine used for creating dynamic views. Number 4, what are the security features provided by Laravel? Laravel offers several built-in security features to help protect web applications from common vulnerabilities. These features cover various aspects of security including authentication, protection against common web attacks, and secure data handling. Number 5, how does Laravel support task scheduling? Laravel provides a task scheduling feature using schedule method in app console kernel.php file.